What are you doing? Here, you want a berry? Here, you want that one? There you go. Here, you want some more berries? Here. There you go. You like raspberries? Here, hold on. Here, you want a couple more? Oh, there's one for you. I know. Nobody believes me when I tell them my dog eats raspberries off the vine. But he does. Get that one too? Got it? Oh. There you go. Here, buddy. Hold on. Okay, stop. That's enough. Hayden, stop. All right. Here, you want a fresh one? There's a fresh one. No, there's a fresh one. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. I've created a monster. Here, buddy. Here, Hayden. Here, Pop. Hayden. Okay, stop. Come on.